Ideal Contact Center. Let's look together to a new place where we can give life to ideas, a space to develop our skills and fulfill our potential, an ideal place. Ideal Contact Center is a company based in Chihuahua, Mexico that consists of talented people like you. We are a financially secure organization with over $20 million in consistent revenue and one of the largest in door-to-door sales. This provides us the ability to invest in our clients. Our work environment is enriched by the contributions of all who proudly represent our ideals. Together, we make this an open space where great ideas are a part of everyday life. We build the opportunities to advance and boldly face the challenges that arise. We're agents of change. Our minds are set on our goals, and we have the power to inspire a positive attitude in others. We look to the future, enriched by more than 2,000 people who've found a place in Grupo Comercial Ideal, a place where creativity is nurtured and potential is within reach.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their aspirations. Well, everyone in this world has special goals in life. We all dream of becoming successful in the future. Some people dream of becoming doctors and treat illness, and others have a desire to teach and so they can inspire. And that's what aspiration is having a strong desire to achieve something great. I would like to conclude with the quote from Mike Norton. The true measure of a man is not what he dreams, but what he aspires to be. A dream is nothing without action. Whether one fails or succeeds is irrelevant. All that matters is that there was motion in his life. That alone affects the world.
We learn from you. That moves us toward innovation. We believe in the excellence of our employees and admire the perseverance and self-improvement of each employee. We trust each of our team members whose dedication shows that it's possible to achieve a common goal. We believe in our values, which are reinforced day after day by the commitment of all. On the foundation of a friendly atmosphere, people at Ideal share great experiences. At Ideal Contact Center, we're committed to people like you, willing to learn as a team to form a creative bond. We believe in moving towards new horizons and strengthening the ties that bind us while transforming our business. We provide an environment where all contribute to personal growth. Our ideal is to build a working environment that constantly delivers and adds value. I invite you to make history and set the course to prove that at Ideal Contact Center, only the best work here, and Ideal brings the best to transform our individual and community's dreams into reality.